So let's try to understand what is a resolve guard in Angular. So friends, the resolve guard is used uh, to ensure that before navigating to a particular route, we have a data. Okay, so first it will check, it will call the API and it will try to check that data is available or not. If data is available, then it makes sense to navigate to that particular route. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense because you want to see a data, but data is not available. So you want to ensure before navigating, you want to ensure that data need to be there. So in that scenario, you can use the resolve guard. And one important thing, you can also do it in ng on init lifecycle hook. But why you are not doing there? Why you need a resolve guard? So see, in case of the lifecycle hook, it will take some time because maybe API, whatever you are calling the API, it will take some time. So in that case, user need to be wait. But here you are pre-fetching the data, and based on that, you are allowing a particular user to navigate a route. Okay, so here you can notice this is the resolve guard and this returning a observable because this directly calling the API, and of course uh, API is providing a observable, it's returning, you need to subscribe it, right? But here in into the routing, you can notice that we are providing, you are collecting this data, means whatever resolver is available, means a resolve guard is just trying to fetch the data, it's a pre-fetch, and based on that it is allowing. And now you can collect the data in the component as well. So if you will go to the component, you can if you will want to collect, then you can collect like this dot route snapshot data. You can collect it from the activated route data and news. In this way you can also get a data. So this is basically a resolve guard. Resolve guard is nothing but you are ensuring that before navigating, data need to be present. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you will face any problem related to this, then please let us know.